In 2025, one of the easiest ways to start making money online without any experience is by doing freelance microtasks. But what exactly are microtasks? They're small digital jobs that pay per task. These include tagging images, categorizing content, data entry, transcribing audio, testing websites, writing short product descriptions. You don't need any special degree, just a laptop, an internet connection, and focus. Here's how to start. Sign up on platforms like Clickworker, Remotasks, or Microworkers. Complete the training, usually 15 to 30 minutes. Start picking small tasks. Some pay 10 cents, others $5 or more. As your accuracy improves, higher paying jobs unlock. It's not passive, but it builds discipline, online work experience, and daily income. And here's the catch. The better your quality, the more tasks you get. Some people turn this into a $500 to $1,000 per month hustle, especially if they treat it seriously and scale to more platforms. No selling, no investment, just your time and effort. Start small, be consistent, and let your results speak. Subscribe to The Inner Light for more stories, strategies, and side hustles that light your path.